Martinique Travel Guide to Introduction. Martinique, a vibrant island in the Caribbean Sea, offers a unique blend of French and Caribbean cultures. Known as the Island of Flowers, Martinique is a paradise for travelers seeking breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and a lively cultural scene. From pristine beaches to lush rainforests, visitors will find an array of activities and attractions that cater to every taste. Whether you're a nature lover, history enthusiast, or food connoisseur, Martinique has something to enchant you.